Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mian and today we will be unboxing a surprise. Let me show you the surprise. This is the surprise that I am talking about. And at the back, it has a collection on the top. And comment down below which one is your favorite. I'm really excited to unbox this thing. So let's get started! Oh no! I just forgot! We need a cup of water to change the color. I know what should do the trick. I'm gonna set this aside. I need my magic wand. Raven water! Give me the cup of water in front of my eyes. It's working and it's working! I can't believe my magic wand did work! Now we have a cup of water to change the color. I'm gonna set this right aside. So let's get started to unbox this thing. So let's set this aside and I'm gonna take this out. This is how it looks. So these are the things that are inside the box. So now we can get started to paint this cupcake. I'm gonna dip my brush into the water, into the cup of water. Now it's so wet, I can pick the color I want. I think I'm gonna color the heart first. So I need pink. I hope it won't get too messy. Oh, there's a little bit of pink paint on my thumb. I'm gonna erase that anyway. I'm gonna use this top because I don't want to waste the paint. So I'm gonna use the top cap. Because the top cap has a little bit of a pink paint, so I'm gonna use it. Now I can put it on the heart. So now we have colored the pink heart. I'm gonna wash it and we can start coloring the mini stars with yellow color. It's going good. So now I think we're going to color this and I'm going to use purple to color this candy. This is the thing. Okay, I'm done with the candy and then I'm going to color this and I'm going to paint the bottom as the last thing. Okay, now I'm going to paint the cup liner into purple. Here's the purple color. Here, fill this up with tons of purple. Okay, I need more. Fill this up. Okay, I'm done. And I'm gonna wash my paint. So now I'm gonna paint the icing yellow. I need to paint the top color of the bread, but I don't know what color should it be. Maybe I need to mix yellow and pink to make brown. Let's give it a try. Let's mix a little bit of yellow, and then I'm gonna wash my paintbrush and switch it to pink. Okay. Hello? I hope it's working. No, it's turning orange. I think I'm gonna ruin this thing. What should I do if I ruin it, guys? Colorful. Pink. I'm done, and I just need to add a little bit of decoration to the cup line. I'm gonna use white. Bit of white. So, it's difficult to do the dot. Another one. Just a little bit more to finish up. I'm done, guys. After waiting for 1 hour to dry this thing, the final touch I just can't wait to put the thing on is the kitchen. We need to put it on this hook, the loop. And all I need is to open it and then put it on the hook at the top and done. There is a final touch and I'm going to show you around. This is a teddy bear, but we didn't color it. And this is the cupcake. We colored it and I like it a lot. Let me ask Mrs. Sandy, the rabbit. Mrs. Sandy, do you like my coloring platform? Yes, I do. I like it very much. Make sure you always learn with me and on every series on my channel. And I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, give a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button and share it with your best friend if you have one. And we'll see you on next time. Goodbye!